Hello students, today we will continue our same topic, that is exercise 14.1. In our last lecture we have already studied about the mean. To find the mean, total we have three methods. First one is direct method, second one is step deviation method, and third one is assumed mean method. Today we will do some questions of step deviation method. This is our statement. This is given the amount which is expending on food by some families. We have to find out mean. So to find the mean, first of all we have to find out xi, that is class marks, and which will be the mid value of the interval. So here we can see that mid value of this interval will be 125. Next will be 175. Next is in between 200 and 250 we have mid value is 225. Next will be 275 and next is 325. So the selection of this method is totally depend on the value of the xi, because if value of xi is so much large so that we can't multiply these two columns easily, that's why we will skip the direct method and we will follow the step division method. As we can see here that the values of xi are very large, so we will choose this method. And formula of this method is a plus summation fi ui divided by summation fi multiplied by h. So we will skip this column and we will form here next column, that is ui, and formula of ui is xi minus a divided by h. What is a here? A is mid value of this interval. So A will be called assumed mean, which will be the mid value of xi. After this we will find out each term of ui. And how can we find out? We will put every term in this formula and then subtract value of A and divide by h. H is the height of the interval. H is the height of the interval and that is 50. So when we solve here, xi minus a, यानी कि 125 minus 225 divided by h, that is 50. After that we will get here first term is minus 2. Term of ui in front of a will be 0 in every question, because here xi 225 minus 225, that means 0 divided by h, then again it is 0. So here it will be 0. When we solve this term, then we get here this is minus 1, and similarly here we will get 1 and 2. In upper side we have the negative terms in every question, and in lower side we will have the positive terms. After this we will multiply fi and ui according to formula. This is the main step. In direct method we will multiply fi and xi, but in step division method we will multiply fi and ui. Then next column will be fi and ui, multiply the every term. 4 multiplied by minus 2, that will be minus 8. 5 minus 5, then 0 and 2, and after that it will be 4. After this we need here summation. That means summation, sum this term 4 and 2, this is 6, and this will be minus 13. When we solve minus 13 and plus 6, we will get here that is minus 7. And we need here summation of fi also. Summation of this term, it is given in the question, this is 25. After that put value of every term. A is 225. Summation fi ui, that is minus 7 multiplied by h. H is 50 and divided by summation fi, this is 25. Cancel out the terms, then we have 225 minus 14, that will be 211. This is our final answer. This is the mean of this question. Next is we will do here one more question of step division method. Statement is, we are given literacy rate of some cities, that is interval is 45 to 55, next is 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, then 85 to 95. Next is frequency, which is the number of cities of this interval. This is 3, 10, 11, 8 and 3. After that, we will find out class marks, that is xi, which will be the mid value of this interval. And here we can see that mid value of this is 50, then 60, then 70, 80 and 85. Again we will choose here step division method because terms of this column is very large. It is very difficult to solve, to multiply and divide. So here again we will find out ui, which is equal to xi minus a divided by h. And a will be here mid value of xi, and mid value of xi is 70. And value of ui in front of a will be 0 in every question. In upper side we will be the negative terms, and lower side we will have positive term. When we solve here, 50 minus 70, that is 20, and divide by h, which is 10. H is 10. So here we will get minus 2, then again minus 1, here 1 and 2. Next column is fi and ui. That means multiply every term by ui. This is minus 6, minus 10, 0, 8 and 6. After that, according to formula, we need here summation. Summation of fi and ui. Here we have minus 16, 14. After solution we get here minus 2. Our formula is a plus summation fi ui divided by summation fi and multiply by h. Put all the values. A is 70, summation fi ui, that is minus 2, h is 10, and divide by summation fi, which is sum of this term. When we add this term, then we will get here 10 and 11, that is 21, 21 and 3, 24, 24 and 3, 27 and then 8, this is 35. After solution we get here 70 minus 4 divided by 7. Then 490 minus 4 divided by 7. After subtraction we have 486 divided by 7. So this is our final answer. This is step division method. Okay.